What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our next video. Welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife, where we grow together. All right, now as you guys can see, I'm on the beach. I'm by myself. What actually happened today was that I was on my way to see a friend to do a slingshot shooting video, I should say. Yeah, if I'm right, yeah, slingshot shooting video. And I was looking at the ocean. I'm like, okay, it's actually pretty calm out and nice today. So I'm gonna do a solo video where I just go in the close by reefs, because this is the same spot that I dove the other day where I only had one sea cat. So what I want to do right now, I just want to, and when I had that one sea cat, there was like, that was way on the outside. I came into the inside where there were tons of mutton snappers in the shallow, in the reefs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a solo dive today where, sorry, I'm gonna hit up that same reef to see if I could land a few fish for you guys, do a roast up on the beach, something, try to create some content for you guys. Today is extremely beautiful, guys, but my drone, unfortunately my drone is not working, so I can't get any overhead shots for you guys for now, but pretty soon though. All right, so stay tuned. I'll just gear up, jump in the water, and I'm already geared up. I'm gonna just wash my mask, get in the water and stuff, and get something done. All right, stay tuned. This is called a soap bush, guys. If you guys are wondering, this is just leaves, but it's suds actually. So we use it to wash our mask. We call it soap bush. What I like to do, I like to rub it against the rock, right? And then use it. Wash out the mask and thing. Look, suds, right? Yeah, man. I just wash out the mask right now. I'm gonna just wash my mask and then get in the water for you guys. Water is so nice today, guys. Let's just wish me luck, all right? All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes guys, reach back out of the water. My first ever solo dive or solo adventure. So just come back out, I managed to shoot 2 fish, 2 chub. So I plan, well I never really have a plan, as I said, I go to my friend and we end up see water and decide to jump in it. I have a elder will live up on the block here. So I feel like I'm going to roast up the fish them and just eat them me and him. You know? All the vibes and see if we can get a vlog out of this. You know guys, so stay tuned, alright? Alright guys, so see them here? 2 nice chub. After respect what we get though. I wanna get a wicked shot still, you know. Yeah man. Marksmanship's award. Alright guys, I get them cleaned up and now and roast them up and me and the elder eat them. Yeah man. Alright guys, so right now fish them clean up, get the road, yeah, get the show on the road, get the fire started and everything there now. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah guys, so you know the regular when you roast a fish, just get some fire stick. Yeah, man. Yeah, cheers to keep the wood. Alright guys, so see it there, fire up on the beach side, beautiful view. But as you know, I learned from spearfish in Jamaica that a rod, when I roast fish, make it burn, blaze up and then turn in a coal. You see me? And then we just put on the old chop them we'll catch. Alright guys, so I come up my car because I just remember say I have bread in here wrap up in my shirt. I did buy this morning because through a bird bush. But you know when you have an addiction where you can't help it, that catch me this morning. I go bird bush and end up CC and stop. So right now I eat it with the fish them when I catch. Eat it with the fish when I roast and drink the bug juice me and the elder. No sir, I just try cold more want to do it. Yeah. Alright guys, so just season up the fish them on thing. There and I go on make them a go on do them little thing you know. Yeah man. Take them time and steam through one thing. Have as much coal on the fire so just that now, you know. Guys, just look at that. Fish a bubble. And I chew a chub. Them oily, them fat. Yeah man. But me I get a beating with the whole grill thing because I chew on all stuff something fine. Washed off and thing and have it I use it. I broke them up but nevertheless still are gone. Almost done. Alright guys, so right now fish them ready, you know. Yeah man. And see step and bring 2 plates, one for him and one for me. Yeah guys, so see it there? Step out over there so I mash up for him one. Remember me that telling you say I have the bread them. Watch out now. Step off 2 of them and step out. You know some rolls that I bring from over Duncan, you see me? Yeah man, catch a bird man them board when I go shoot.
I be a good on Duncan.
Yeah. The roll is empty. Yeah guys, I swear, them life we are talking about, you know? Yeah, man. But I want to tell you so guys, I eat up the fish and them thing there. Hopefully like a short video I put together for you to the same way. Always drop a comments down below, make me know what you think. And you understand what I say? So just, I don't know what else to say guys, it's just a good feeling. Thanks a lot, big shout out to all you guys and new subscribers to my work. Keep supporting Jamaica Wildlife and until next time again, yeah? Peace out.